can't promise it. I'm not going to say if it's weekly. I can't promise anything for weekly. But I'm going to do shout-outs to people every once in a while. So yeah, if you want to shout out, you have to make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and comment your like why you want to shout out, and comment a link to your channel. If you've seen my Steam giveaway, good luck in that, and I'll see you later.
Bye.
I'll try when I get my my computer back from being fixed. I'll try. I can't promise anything, but I'll try to put your channel links up in the channels tab for like featured channels. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah.